This chocolate bundt cake is a decadent chocolate lover's dream. I know there are 1,000 chocolate bundt cakes on the internet and they're probably good, but this is really good chocolate cake. It's soft, moist, and full of flavour. The secret ingredient is coconut milk. You can't taste it, but it adds so much moisture. The cake is topped with my easy, glossy and smooth one bowl chocolate sauce. So what are you waiting for? Start measuring and get it in the oven. Today I'm going to be using a deep bundt cake tin. This one is from Williams Sonoma. Pretty much any type will work. This is a deep one, but if you want to make a shallow one, just halve the recipe. Now to this I'm going to brush it with some melted butter, so brush it really well. Then the next thing you want to do is dust it really well with cocoa powder. Now doing this is going to help prevent the chocolate cake from sticking to the bundt pan, and it's going to help it come out much easier. Get rid of the excess cocoa powder and then you're going to set this aside. Now to a large mixing bowl we're going to add some all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, some bicarb soda and some salt, and you're going to whisk that up until it's well combined. Then to a separate large bowl you're going to add some softened butter and some sugar, and I'm going to switch over to an electric hand beater and whip this up for about 3 or 4 minutes until it's pale and fluffy. Then you're going to add your eggs one at a time, mixing each time until everything is well combined. Then add half of your dry ingredients and half of your coconut milk and mix that up. It's gonna be slightly messy if you're using the same size bowl as I am. A little bit bigger than this would have been better, but we'll just make it work. Once your batter is well combined, you've scraped down the bowl at least once and everything is looking great. You want to transfer this to your bundt pan, spread it around so that it's nice and smooth on top, and this is going to go in the oven to bake for 45 minutes. Once it's baked, let it cool down completely. Let's move on to that really easy one bowl chocolate sauce. Add some dark chocolate, cream, butter, some salt, brown sugar and glucose syrup to a heat-proof bowl, and we're going to microwave this for 20 seconds at a time, stirring each time until it's smooth. That's it guys, that's how easy the chocolate sauce is, and this cake is baked, it's cooled. We're going to turn it out onto our serving plate, and the last thing you want to do, and you might want to whip out your phone for this and put it on Instagram, is drizzle that glossy chocolate sauce on top. This cake is so moist, soft, delicious. That chocolate sauce on top is to die for. And if you want to try the recipe, it's over on my website, thescranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button, and you know what, I want to give you a bit of a preview of my next recipe on my brand new channel, The Scran Line Everyday. This week on The Scran Line Everyday, I'm going to be showing you how to make the absolute best Greek slow roasted lamb. Now, what you're seeing it served with is my Greek lemon potatoes. Both of those recipes are on my website, thescranline.com. This recipe is a make ahead of time thing. It takes about 5 or 6 hours in the oven, but what you're left with is melt off the bone lamb that is so delicious. You can serve it as is with veggies. You can serve it in a souvlaki with some pita bread. I also have a recipe for that on my website. If you want to get the recipe for this, subscribe to my new channel. Link for that is in the box below. Support it. I want to hope that it actually grows and you guys love it. But yeah, that's what is coming up. Thanks so much for spending time with me in my kitchen today, guys. I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scran Line.